Another stylish bike. Features are it is aggressive in looks. Hello friends, welcome back to the Coastal Vlogger channel, and I hope you all are safe at your homes. So for the next video, I already told you yesterday that I'm gonna do a series of videos on the Hero bikes. So for the next video, I have with me the Hero Extreme BS6. So the Hero Extreme BS6 also is another stylish bike launched by the Hero MotoCorp. So they have kept a slogan for this bike especially, that is heads will turn, hearts will race. So I truly liked the structure of the bike, the front figure, the headlights, the headlamps, the tail lamps, then its naked body. So that's a really good thing that they have done. So this particular bike is a 160 cc vehicle, so you can expect around 159 cc in exact value. So without any delay, let's go to the features of the vehicle. So the features are it is aggressive in looks, it's a street fighter tech loaded vehicle, and agile, so glides on even the toughest roads with a bike. Okay, so these are the some of the things that the company is suggesting it has. So test rides are available, so you can try it out. And apart from that, I'll go to the specifications of the bike. So 1.7 seconds, sorry 4.7 seconds in 0 to 60 kilometers. So that's really good. Can't expect all these things from a Hero bike actually, so it's really good. Apart from that, 15 bhp engine power and 276 front disc brakes and 14 sensor fuel injection. So yesterday I have already talked to you people about the smart i3 system actually. So I guess it's not there in this vehicle, it's not required because it's a 160 cc engine, so obviously it will be good in its own places. So I'll tell you about the more specifications present in this vehicle. So the engine is a air cooled 4-stroke 2 value single cylinder OHE, and displacement like I told you 163 cc, and max power is 15 bhp 11.2 kilowatts, that also 8500 resolutions per minute, so it is fast. So starting you get the self option also and the kick option also. In some of the bikes you don't get the kick option, so that is really tough. Then apart from that, the front is telescopic and rear is 7-step rider adjustment. Then brakes again, it is a single channel ABS automatic braking system. So apart from that, we have drum brakes at the back, that's bad. Then the tire is tubeless obviously, and LCD front console is also present if you have observed. Then full LED with the LED DRL, so that is common in all the vehicles these days. And the bike weight is 138.5 kg, so obviously the Hero bikes, they will be lesser in weight. And since Hero is an Indian company, people, I guess, after the India-China things and other stuff, there's a little bit of too much of competition. So these are all the information about the bike, its specification, its looks. The colors, I guess there are no much of a color, only blue, red and white and black may be available. Color doesn't matter actually, the system matters. So I hope you liked this video anyway. So please do subscribe, like, share, and please inform your friends also to subscribe, and I'll come up again with more and more videos. So until next time friends, bye.